Alright, somebody wanted a cold start video. So, let's go over here and turn the gas on. Got the ignition on. It's been sitting for about a week and a half, 2 weeks maybe, since I did the actual running video. So let's turn on the gas. To reserve. There's not a lot. I didn't put much gas in there, so still filling up the other carb. They're filling. They're filling. Yeah, probably is good. Still see it filling a little bit on the left carb. And there it is. There it is. Full. Okay. So, get over here. Set this tripod up. And give you a temperature. We're showing it's cold here right now. It's like windy and cold. 40 degrees, 36 degrees, 37 degrees, something like that. So this was totally dry. I always keep the carbs dry. Run the gas out or empty the float bowls. So let's see how many kicks it takes. Turn the choke on.